despite the snowstorm. The sky was gray, heavy with clouds that released millions of snowflakes. They fell quickly, and I could tell it would snow for hours. Periodically, the wind blew and the snowflakes swirled, going in various directions at once. As I stood looking out the glass storm door, I was grateful to be in a warm house. Then I heard a chirp. I paused, and there it was again, another chirp. Was it a bird? Finally, I saw a lone bird perched on the branch of a nearby tree. How amazing! In the midst of this storm, there sat a bird chirping despite the cold and snow. Quickly, I stepped onto the porch to get a better view of this brave bird. It was a female cardinal. She sat upright and lifted her head as she released her voice with dignity. I was impressed by her beauty, even though, as a female bird, her colors were muted. Proudly, she proclaimed her right to sing and rejoice, regardless of what surrounded her. My heart cried out, "Go, little bird, declare your joy and right to life." What a wonderful example of how we need to live. A simple bird can display such wisdom, a reminder sent to retell us who we are in Christ. Clearly now, Lord, your words come to me. Do not despair. Take no care. Let no burden come upon you. Be who I created you to be. Don't let anything stop you. This time will not last long. Be faithful in this season of sowing, and the return will come soon. In fact, stand proudly, square your shoulders, and speak my word of life and prosperity. What you sow now will be returned to you in abundance. Don't miss the opportunity to do it now in faith. The more you sow through your faith, the greater the harvest will be. Will you take the challenge? Can you sing in the snowstorm? Can you sing, head held high because you look to me? Dare to do this. Dare to trust me. I will not let you down. There is coming a day when you will remember this time and how I carried you through. You are my beloved and much dearer to me than the birds. Sing, my love, sing.